Lionel Messi. The story of a champion. A graded reader, level A1. Chapter 1, A small boy in Argentina. The story begins in South America. The country is Argentina. In Argentina, football is very important. It is life. Lionel is born on June 24, 1987, in a city called Rosario. His family is a working family. His father, Jorge, works in a factory. His mother, Celia, cleans houses. They work hard. They do not have much money, but they have a happy home. Lionel has two big brothers, Rodrigo and Matias. He has a little sister, Maria Sol. Lionel is the smallest one. When he is 3 years old, he gets a gift. It is a football. Lionel loves the ball. He kicks the ball in the house. He kicks the ball in the garden. He kicks the ball in the street. His grandmother, Celia, loves him very much. She sees something special in Lionel. One day, she takes Lionel to a football club. The club is Grandoli. It is a small club for children. The coach is there. The team needs one more player. Grandmother Celia says, "Put Lionel in the game." The coach looks at Lionel. Lionel is very small. He is smaller than the other boys. "No," says the coach. "He is too small. The other boys are big. They can hurt him." But Grandmother Celia is strong. "Put him in," she says. "He can play." The coach puts Lionel in the game. The ball comes to Lionel. He runs. He runs very fast. The big boys try to take the ball, but they cannot. Lionel is too fast. He scores a goal. From that day, Lionel plays football all the time. He plays for a famous team in his city, Newell's Old Boys. He wears the red and black shirt. He scores 500 goals for the youth team. People call him the Machine. Chapter 2, The Bad News. Lionel is 10 years old. He is a fantastic player. But his parents are worried. Lionel is small. All his friends grow. His friends are tall. But Lionel stays small. His father measures him. "You are the same height," his father says. "You do not grow." They go to a doctor. The doctor does many tests. He checks Lionel's blood. The doctor has bad news. He says Lionel has a medical problem. His body does not have growth hormones. If he does not take medicine, he stays small forever. There is a medicine. It helps Lionel grow. But it is an injection. Lionel needs an injection in his leg every night. One night in the left leg. One night in the right leg. It hurts. Lionel cries sometimes. But he wants to play football. He wants to be tall. So he takes the medicine. There is another problem. The medicine is very expensive. It costs a lot of money every month. Lionel's father asks his boss for money. But it is not enough. He asks the football club, Newell's Old Boys. "Please help us," he says. Lionel is a star. "Please pay for the medicine." The club pays a little, but then they stop. The economy in Argentina is bad. Nobody has money. Jorge and Celia are desperate. They look at their son. He is sad. Without the medicine, his dream is dead. Chapter 3, The Napkin Contract. Jorge Messi makes a big decision. He looks at a map of the world. He looks at Spain. In Spain, there is a rich club, he thinks. The club is FC Barcelona. Maybe they want Lionel. It is a crazy idea. Barcelona is very far away. But Jorge buys plane tickets. He and Lionel fly to Barcelona. Lionel is 13 years old. He is in a new country. He sees the big city. He sees the big stadium, the Camp Nou. Lionel goes to a trial. A trial is a test for new players. The Barcelona coaches watch him. Lionel plays with boys who are 15 years old. They are much taller than him. But Lionel is magic. He dances with the ball. Carles Rixach is an important man at Barcelona. He watches Lionel for 2 minutes. "Wow," he says. "We must sign this boy." But the other directors say, "No. He is too small. He is expensive. We do not sign young boys from Argentina." Jorge Messi is angry. He waits for weeks. He says to Carles Rixach, "We go back to Argentina tomorrow. Decide now." Carles Rixach is in a restaurant. He wants to sign Lionel. But he has no paper. He calls the waiter. He takes a paper napkin. He writes on the napkin, "I promise to sign Lionel Messi." This napkin saves Lionel's career. Barcelona agrees to pay for the medicine. Lionel is happy. Chapter 4: Tears and Goals. Lionel moves to Barcelona. His father goes with him. But his mother and his brothers stay in Argentina. This is a very difficult time. Lionel is lonely. He misses his mother. He misses his friends. He lives in a special house for young players. The house is called La Masia. In the day, he goes to school and he plays football. He is happy on the football field. But at night, he is in his room. He is alone. He cries. He does not want his father to hear him. He wants to be strong. In the beginning, he has problems. He breaks his leg. He cannot play for months. He is quiet. He does not speak much. His teammates think he is mute, he cannot speak. But then, Lionel plays again. He plays with 2 other great young players, Cesc Fabregas and Gerard Piqué. They become friends. They win every game. Lionel grows. The medicine works. He is not a giant, but he is strong. He is ready for the big time. Chapter 5: The First Team. It is the year 2004. Lionel is 17 years old. The manager of the first team calls him. "Come train with us," he says. Lionel walks onto the field. He sees the best players in the world. He sees Ronaldinho. Ronaldinho is a Brazilian superstar. He is the best player in the world at this time. He laughs and smiles. Ronaldinho looks at Lionel. He says, "Come here, little brother. Sit with me." Ronaldinho helps Lionel. He is like a big brother. On May 1, 2005, Lionel scores his first goal for the big team. Ronaldinho passes the ball. The ball goes over the defenders. Lionel watches the ball. He kicks it gently over the goalkeeper. Goal! The crowd stands up. They shout his name. Lionel jumps on Ronaldinho's back. He smiles. He is number 30. He is a professional player. The difficult times are finished. The legend begins. Chapter 6: The Golden Team. It is 2008. Barcelona has a new manager. His name is Pep Guardiola. Pep is a clever man. He loves beautiful football. He looks at Lionel. "You are the best," Pep says. "You play in the middle. You touch the ball every time." Lionel plays with 2 other magical players, Xavi and Andres Iniesta. They are small too. They pass the ball. Pass, pass, pass. The other teams cannot catch them. This style is called tiki-taka. In 2009, Barcelona wins everything. They win the Spanish League. They win the King's Cup. They win the Champions League. They win 6 trophies in 1 year. It is incredible. Lionel scores a famous goal in the Champions League final. He plays against Manchester United. He is small, but he jumps high. He scores with his head. Lionel is the best player in Europe. He wins the Golden Ball, Ballon d'Or. He is only 22 years old. Chapter 7, The Great Rival. Lionel is very good. But there is another player. He is also very good. His name is Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano is different from Lionel. Cristiano is tall and strong. He plays for Real Madrid. Real Madrid is the big rival of Barcelona. When they play, the world watches. This match is called El Clásico. Lionel and Cristiano are rivals for 10 years. Cristiano scores 3 goals. Then Lionel scores 3 goals. Cristiano wins the Golden Ball. Then Lionel wins the Golden Ball. They push each other. Because of Cristiano, Lionel becomes better. Because of Lionel, Cristiano becomes better. Lionel scores 91 goals in 1 year, 2012. It is a world record. People say, he is not human. He is an alien. Chapter 8, Tears for Argentina. Lionel wins many trophies with Barcelona. He has gold medals and cups. He is happy in Spain. But in Argentina, the story is different. When Lionel plays for Argentina, he does not win. The fans in Argentina are angry. They say, he plays well for Barcelona. But he does not play well for us. He is Spanish, not Argentine. This makes Lionel very sad. He loves his country. He wants to win for Argentina. In 2014, Argentina plays the World Cup final. They play against Germany. It is a close game. Lionel tries hard. But Argentina loses 1-0. Lionel looks at the gold trophy, but he cannot touch it. He cries. In 2015 and 2016, Argentina loses 2 more finals. Lionel is heartbroken. He cries on the field. He says to the TV cameras, "I stop. I do not play for Argentina anymore. It is too difficult." The people in Argentina are shocked. They are sorry. They write letters. "Please, Leo, come back. We love you." Lionel rests. Then, he returns. He has one more dream. Chapter 9, Goodbye Barcelona. Time passes. Lionel is older. He is married to Antonella, his love from Rosario. They have 3 beautiful sons, Thiago, Mateo, and Ciro. Lionel wants to stay at Barcelona forever. It is his home. But in 2021, there is a big shock. The club has no money. They cannot pay Lionel. The president says, "I am sorry, Leo. You must leave." Lionel stands in a room with journalists. He wears a suit. He cries. He cannot speak. He is very sad. He says goodbye to his friends and the fans. He moves to Paris. He plays for Paris Saint-Germain, PSG. He plays with his friend Neymar and the young star Kylian Mbappé. But Lionel is not very happy in Paris. The weather is cold. It is not his home. After 2 years, he moves to America. He plays for Inter Miami. He wears a pink shirt. He smiles again. Football is fun in Miami. Chapter 10, The Dream Comes True. It is November 2022. The World Cup is in Qatar. Lionel is 35 years old. This is his last World Cup. It is now or never. Argentina plays the first game. They lose against Saudi Arabia. It is a disaster. But Lionel speaks to the team. "Do not be afraid," he says. "Trust me." Argentina wins the next game. Then they win again. They go to the final. The final is against France. France is the champion. They have Kylian Mbappé. He is fast and dangerous. The game is crazy. Lionel scores a goal. Argentina is winning 2-0. The fans are happy. but Mbappé scores 2 goals in 2 minutes. 2-2. Lionel scores again. 3-2. But Mbappé scores again. 3-3. It is the best game in history. The game goes to penalties. Lionel kicks the first penalty. Goal. The Argentina goalkeeper, Dibu Martinez, saves a penalty. Now, Argentina has one final kick. The player Montiel kicks the ball. Goal. Argentina is the world champion. Lionel falls to his knees. He cries tears of joy. His family comes onto the field. He hugs his sons. The president of FIFA gives Lionel a trophy. It is gold and beautiful. Lionel kisses the trophy. He lifts it up. The little boy from Rosario has the biggest prize. The dream is real. Lionel Messi is the champion of the world. Conclusion. Lionel Messi is a legend. He has talent, but he also works hard. He has big problems, but he never stops. He teaches us a lesson: it does not matter if you are small. If you have a big dream and you fight for it, you can touch the stars. The end.